So there we go, we got the whole program set up. So now what we need to do is save that, but then we got to save the toolpaths for the Mach on the G-code, because this doesn't do us any good until we turn it into a TAP file. And so we need to go to Toolpaths, and then we're going to save the toolpath. So this is where it's important to name these things so you can remember what they are. So right here, when I click Toolpaths, I'm going to have all of those listed. So I want to select them in the order that I want it to cut them. Because, like, you know, if I try to do a profile and I didn't relieve something that was in the way, it's going to just crash the tool. So I want to go in order. So my first step was to drill the holes. The second step was to do the counterbore. The third step is to do the cut off profile. The fourth step, and make sure you get these in order, because this will crash for sure. So you want to do your non-LP one first, then do the LP one, because that's like last pass, and it's real important to keep those in order. Don't put that one before this one or you're going to crash something. And then the fifth step is the hourglass, and then when we hit save, it's going to save it as a TAP file for us. And so I've already played around, like you say, so I'm just going to make this one Rev 5, and I'll get rid of these other revs once I get this thing cleared out and make sure it's going to run. So there we go. So all of that set up, that should give us our front portion of our cover here, so we can set this up in our mini mill and we can give that a run. So what I'll do is switch over real quick and load it up on the G-code and check and see how long it's going to take to make this run. And then you'll see it's probably going to take a little while, because mini mill's kind of small. If I was running on a big mill, I could really go after these cuts, you know, and really push it hard. But for this little bitty guy over here, I can't push him very hard. So we got all that done. We got our coding saved. So now let's click over here to Mach and load up Mach.